can't even go any higher even if you wanted to lift it. And now, on the count of 3, just bring it up, remove it from a neural condition to a physical movement without feeling it. And that right hand lifts a third of the way into the air on the count of 3, instant and automatically. 1, 2, 3, in, up, right there, stops. Can't go any higher. Even if you wanted to bring it back, what's no longer attached cannot be back. It cannot be found because it's in the past. And you're no longer affected by 70% of that past. Now when I simply say the word, I'll say some words. I'll say, let's just say erase it all. Let's just remove that last 30% of emotional amplitude relating to the things that it is that you no longer want in your life or react to in your life without even feeling it. So when I say those 3 words, let the hand drop and notice that last 30% is going to simply dissolve.